We now determine the number of years it will take for the population of a city to reach 2 million. So it's basically we have to find t when p of t equals 2 million. Let's put this million in numbers. We know that 1 million is 1 followed by 6 zeros. So therefore 2 million equals 2 times of 1 followed by 6 zeros. And so when you multiply this, we will get 2 followed by 6 zeros. So this is 2 million in numbers. I'm going to put p of t equals 2 million into this equation and solve for t. So let's do that. And when we do that, we get 2 million on the right side. And this equals this is on the left side. So on the right side, we have 256 114 e raised to the power of 0.25t. And so now considering this equation, we have to solve for t. So first let's divide both sides by this quantity, that is 256 114. And so when we do that, we get 256, this is 256,114. And here also we divide by 256,114. So these two quantities will get cancelled since they are same. And we can evaluate this quantity by plugging into the calculator. Okay, we can do that after we solve for the t, that is when we get the complete expression for t. So now we have 2 million divided by 256,114, and this equals on the right side we have e raised to the power of 2.25t. Now we have to apply natural logarithm to both sides so that we can solve for t. So I apply natural logarithm to this side, and on this right side also I should apply natural logarithm. So I get natural logarithm of this exponentiation. And now using the property of natural logarithm, we can put this 0.25 in front of the natural logarithm. So therefore, in the next step, we can write down this as natural logarithm of 2 million. This is divided by 256,114. I just missed a zero here. I will put correctly. It is 2 followed by 6 zeros. And on the right side we will get 0.25t and then multiplied with the natural logarithm of e. But natural logarithm of e, it is 1, so we can ignore this expression because 0.25t times 1 is just 0.25t. Now we solve for t and rearrange for t. So therefore I write t equals natural logarithm of 2 million, that is 2 followed by 6 zeros, and this is over 256,114, and this divided by 0.25, because we have to divide by 0.25 on both sides so that we get uh, value for t. Now we can put this complete expression into the calculator. That is, we have to first find this expression 2 million divided by 256,114, and then we will get a result. We have to take the natural logarithm of that result, and after we take the natural logarithm of that result, we should divide by 0.25. And so when we do everything in the calculator, we get approximately 8.22. This is rounded to two decimal places. So the unit of time here is years. So we say that it takes 8.22 years for the population to reach 2 million.